Welcome once again to my Shibadoge coin. Today, Shibadoge hit almost 4.2% increase in price, with over $1.6 million being pumped into Shibadoge, being traded on Shibadoge, being added on Shibadoge market cap within the past 24 hours. Now, yesterday we saw an increased day for yesterday. This is 4 days straight. Shibadoge have been increasing gradually. So Shibadoge now hit almost 21% increase in price within the past 6 days. Well, this is amazing. And you can see the market cap also increase. And I believe this will continue up towards the end of this month. Shibadoge is definitely rise more. Now, $1.6 million in 24 hours. Remember, Shibadoge have actually have traded a trading volume of more than this amount, even more than $3 million in a day. There was then Shibadoge volume hit almost $6 million in a day. So let's hope that this will continue. I want to see Shibadoge volume hitting $10 million or $15 million in 24 hours. But it's a good one to know that Shibadoge today have continued to rise. Shibadoge also gained a lot, $1.6 million on market cap and about 4.2% increase in price today. Once again, please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.